Welcome back. We are Tash and Brad, and this is our second video of us converting this Peugeot Expert van into a mini camper. It's a new project me and Tash are taking on. Come along and join us. So today, what are we doing? There she is.
We're going to be doing some more painting. Possibly, did you want to do the foam today?
Yeah, so what we're going to do today is we're going to foam underneath here to make this a little bit more secure, and then we'll just cut it off with a Stanley knife.
Yep.
Tash is going to be painting the panels like a greenish colour.
Well, white first. Yeah,
white first to whitewash it, and then a greenish colour, and we do need to wood fill it as well. And I just need to finish off a little bit of insulation behind the door and behind there as well. So that's what's going to be included in today's video, so come along, join us, and let's get to some work. First things first is clear out the van. Oh.
They put that in the front wall.
We ain't got too long. We got a slight break in the weather, but have a look at the clouds. Looks like it's gonna absolutely piss down. We decided, oh, we're gonna paint and we're gonna do it over the next couple of days. Yesterday we tried to paint and it was raining non-stop the whole day, so we couldn't paint absolutely anything.
Shout out to Paul for giving us a carbon monoxide alarm.
Yeah, 10-year battery included. Yeah, bosh, nice. That'll come in handy for old Tash's farts, carbon monoxide farts.
Shut up.
Right, there's the paint.
That's the white. Probably won't get round to that today, but maybe.
What, green, yeah, 100% we will.
Yeah?
Yeah.
Right. You won't.
Tool bag. Basically, Tash is gonna sand the stuff down. This is what did they say on Art Attack? This is something we did before.
Oh, here's one I made earlier.
Right, have a look, show them.
Yeah, so I'll be careful, I don't want to like scratch it off, but I did one of the wheel arch covers and one of the balls that go up here.
Yeah.
Yeah, and I just whitewashed it. All sides, obviously just not on the inside. And then this is going to be green over the top. That nice sagey green colour. So yeah, so it doesn't have to be perfect, the whitewash. It's just so that, because the green won't show up very well, and it will be, you have to do so many coats in order to make it look good over the top of the wood. So
guys, that's before, and then we'll do a comparison after. So before, and we'll do a comparison after. All right, let's carry on moving this scrap, and then when we start getting on with some work, we'll check in. Make sure you keep all the screws, stick them in the bag. Yeah, bosh. Let's carry on. The front panel is off, and then behind the front panel we have this secondary panel here, which is held together by like pop screws, or whatever you call them, pop bolts. You just pull that out there, pull it out, and then wiggle, 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 and then it comes out like that.
my job today is going to be getting the whitewash all over these bits of plywood, and then hopefully the green as well over the top of that once it's dry. So here's the white paint. We've smushed it all around, put a bit of water in it just so it's not thick paint, it's like slightly more watery. Oh, windy. And then there are the boards over there. Some of them need to be wood filled first, so I'll show you me doing that. But one of the wheel arches, let me show you. One of these wheel arches, that's ready to go. I already sanded that, so we can get cracking with whitewashing this one. Let's go!
Now that board is off there, we have this like soundproofing, like insulation that they've put on, but behind it is like a little bit of glue. So all we're gonna do is get a Stanley knife and run a little knife down it. I can't really do that one hand, but once I get that down, I'm gonna peel it down like halfway so I can get under there and get under there and put some soundproofing and a bit of insulation on as well, just to insulate the doors. Regarding these, we don't need to do these because we've actually got The windows, which you're going to see in another vlog, us installing the windows in our van. I've already ordered them, they've already come, and me and Tash checked if they was good yesterday. So in a later vlog, you're going to see us install the windows. While you're doing it, try not to scratch your fan. A few scratches on it already. As you can see, we peel it off to expose this bit in here, and there's a bit more under there, and then we just put a bit of soundproof on there, a bit of insulation, just to protect from the elements, the English elements. How you getting on, mate?
Yeah, good. I think that's all the sides done of this one now, and the top's nearly dry.
Yeah?
Yeah, I've had to use the brush more for this one because where I rinsed that roller the other day, it's not dried. So it's absolutely soaking. Yeah. So as I push it on, so much extra water is going in the paint. It's diluting it too much. I might have to do another layer on the top.
So from the last video, you'll see this is Dodo mat. This is what we stuck on like the roof and the floor and the side of the walls and stuff. So you just peel it off. You just got to be very careful because this stuff is very sharp. You just stick it on somewhere there. And that's just going to help a little bit with the noise and the vibration in the van, and a little bit of insulation as well. So that's all, and then we'll shove a bit of foam down there, insulation, this stuff there. It's called Eco Fill, and then that door's done. Then we put it all back together, wait for it to be painted, and then that's done. Then the window goes in. Oh my god, look at that rain cloud coming.
Oh no.
Right, so let's cut some of this stuff. Just take it. God, these scissors crap. Let's try this again. New pair of scissors. Oh yeah, but way better. Yeah, ain't gotta be perfect. So we take that and we see if it fits in there now. Should just slide in there. There you go. That's all we want. We want like one patch. That can just go in there. Bob's your uncle. Then I'll stick a patch in there as well. Pretty much that's the insulation on the doors done. We're not doing too much. We're not overdoing the insulation. Just gonna stick a few patches on. Just give it a little bit of warmth.
It's just started raining right on my freaking paintwork.
That's the trouble with the British weather. You plan to do anything, you get hammered by rain. Let's pick this up. Bit of contact adhesive on it. Just get it in. Stickety stick. Bit of soundproofing. Bob's your uncle, Fanny's your aunt. Rinse, repeat. Get the last one done. Gotta put the camera down because I need to help.
Yes, you do. Oh!
Alright, so we've had to stop because it's raining. Oh, it's just one moment it's raining, one moment it's not raining. One moment it's raining, one moment it's not. Like, everything's back in the van, so it don't get wet. So what we're gonna have to do is just wait until we got a couple of hours before we get everything back out, which is bloody annoying. See you in a bit. And we are back. We have resumed filming because the sun is now out. We have blue skies here in England and we're gonna make the most of it.
If you want to know if your relationship will stand the test of time, start a van build.
Why is that?
Because we may or may not have had a couple of arguments off camera, but I still love you. Do you still love me?
Yeah, I still love you. They weren't arguments. She was just stressing about the rain and whatever. Time to continue getting this off.
This one probably ain't going to be perfect.
Alright. Nearly hit Tash's head. Yeah. Alright, that is off. Just going to insulate that, and then once I start painting as well, once we start in the painting process, you've seen the insulating part.
Right.
Once we start the painting process, we'll check back in for the next part to make this baby look nice. Woohoo!
Woohoo! It looks
Looks good, isn't it?
Yeah.
It's a nice colour though. What do you guys think about the colour? Be interesting to see what it looks like in this bad boy. This should be fun and games. So we've got this pseudo gap fill in here. It comes with protective gloves, so I better put them on. It says it expands up to 40 times the can. See it?
Oh yeah, I see it.
I thought.
The black stuff.
Guys, look at this. I assume we're just going to be able to cut it off. We're going to wait about half an hour for it to set. Basically, it's just so when we stand on the edges and that, it's got nowhere to go. Because at the moment, it's like bending on the edges. I don't know what's going to happen. I don't know how hard it's going to be to get off. I don't know, guys. Don't know, but it's okay.
Yes, I'm very worried because the van looks like someone's had a foamy freaking...
Yeah. We just stuck the first panel back on the door. Have a look at it. What do you guys think? Instead of that brown colour there, we've now got this light colour here. God, I can't wait for the whole van to be done. All the sides. It's just going to lighten it up so much in here. The before and after is going to be crazy. Absolutely crazy. Tash is just hammering away. Look at her. Look at her go.
I'm painting and decorating. Do you want some stuff done?
Yeah. Nice, it's class. It's class already. Regarding this stuff here, the expanding foam, I'm just going to let it cure for a bit. And then I'll probably just try and get that up. It should come off with a little bit of elbow grease, so I still can't get over that. That looks so good.
Yeah.
Nice. Look at that. Nice. Looking a lot better. Okay, and the walls have been completed. 3, 2, 1, look. Nice. How do you think it went?
I think it went alright in the end. Pretty proud of it. I do feel like it makes a massive difference, it being like a nice colour rather than the brown wood. Makes a huge difference.
Obviously you guys are seeing the before and after, so you guys see the biggest glow up, but no, it's a huge difference. All we've got left is the windows, the floor and the carpet around the side, and then we're gonna go on our first trip away in the van. But no, it's looking epic. Looking epic. Look at that. So this has been the second video of me and Tash renovating this Peugeot Expert van. Make sure you hit that subscribe button, hit that like button, and just comment down below if you like the colour we put on the walls, because me and Tash really like it. Thinking about putting artwork there, maybe some pictures, little memories over there as well. Busy day, another busy day, and we'd like to sign out, innit?
See you later,
we'll see
guys.
you soon. See you later, alligator.
Ciao.